Translation is the second step in our Drawing to Learn video course. The goal is to create a sketch from a passage. We will have multiple topics and levels for you to practice and develop your drawing abilities throughout this course. After I read the passage, you should pause the video and give yourself a few minutes to create a sketch for the passage presented. Then, I will show an example sketch and also provide an outline of the components you should include in your own sketch. The topic for this translation video is phospholipid bilayer. Our passage states, cell membranes are made of two layers of phospholipids. Phospholipids have a circular, hydrophilic or water-loving head and two hydrophobic or water-fearing tails extending in the same direction from the head. The complex looks like a two-armed jellyfish. To create the cell membrane, the hydrophilic heads align on the outside and interact with water, while the hydrophobic tails face inside, away from the water. The result is head, tails, tails, head. This is the time for you to pause the video and create a drawing for this passage. Please include all of the important information. Alright, now that you've created your drawing, I will walk you through an example drawing. As we read, the passage mentions two layers of phospholipids. However, we don't know yet what a phospholipid looks like. Further reading tells us that the top is circular and it is called the head. So let's draw and label that. It also says the head is hydrophilic or water-loving, so let's put that in a label as well. The passage then says there are two hydrophobic or water-fearing tails extending from the head in the same direction. Let's draw two squiggly lines and label those. Now that we have a sketch of a phospholipid, we need to represent the two layers of phospholipids. The passage describes the heads aligning on the outside, so let's draw a row of that, and the tails face the inside. To create head, tails, tails, head. Now let's copy this for the second row. Now you can clearly see the head, tails, tails, head. And our drawing is complete. But remember, your drawing does not have to look exactly like mine. As long as you include the important components from the passage and your drawing makes sense to you, you have made a good sketch. For this passage, you should have the following components: a circular head, two tails extending from the same direction from the head, and a bilayer consisting of the order head, tails, tails, head. Practice creating sketches from a passage on your own, or with our other videos to further develop your skills.